Did Santa Claus come to see the pugs? He did? What did he bring? Roxy, did Santa Claus come? Oscar, did Santa Claus come? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see a present. Oh, there's one. That's one. Oh my goodness, Roxy's like, where's mine, Mommy? Here's another Roxy. Get it. Oh. And is there one for Oscars? Of course. Oh, but Ollie's gonna hog them all up. Say, Mommy, it's mine. It's mine. Now, where's Oscar? Oscar, go get one of those, Ollie. Go get one. You get one. Let's see. And did he bring us some Charlie Bears? Oh, he bought us some Charlie Bears too. Yeah. Oh boy, Oscar, he got some Charlie Bears. Oh, yeah. Roxy's excited about that. All right, sit, everybody, sit. Oh, good babies. Roxy's in the dock. Say thank you, Santa Claus, and let us have some Charlie Bears. Sit. Say Merry Christmas, everybody's. Merry Christmas.